Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click video. Let's choose this video resolution. Go to uploads, images, and after uploading your images, let's drag them to the timeline, decrease the size, drag the second one, and make the same size as the first one. And place all of them in one line like this. And go to the first one, go to edit, adjust, and decrease the brightness, and copy style and paste, copy style and click, copy style and click. Select all of them and group and increase the size. And now go to text and type the text that you are going to use. Let's start with the first one. Change the font. Let's use Anton and change the color as well. And open these handles of the text to make these transparent parts around the text. Duplicate and type the second one. And place all of them in the right side exactly here. And keep just this transparent part up here. Add new page. Go to elements and go to frames. Click see all and type teardrop. And let's use these shapes. Select all and decrease the size. Place them in the middle and change the color to white color. Click in the background and change the color to any color to see the frames clearly. Go to uploads and drag the first image that you are going to use and select all and rotate 90 degrees. Drag the second one inside the frame and double click and rotate it to adjust it like this. Select all and rotate 90 degrees. The third one, we have this one. Double click and rotate. Select all and rotate 90 degrees as well. And drag the last one. Double click and adjust it. Select all and group. Copy. Go to the first page and paste and make rotate to make the first position. We have this one in the first position and increase the size. and go to layers, show layers, click in the first text that we are going to use and place it here. Go to the second page and delete this page and duplicate this page. Go to the second page, move this text to the left and move the next text. We have this one and rotate like this and move the background as well. Duplicate, make the same, move this one to the left and move the next one and move the background as well and rotate this element. Duplicate, move this one to the left, move the last text and rotate this shape and move the background. And add transition, match and move, increase the duration and apply between all pages. And you can control the duration of each page as you want. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.